So, traders, as you saw the thumbnail, I just won't say much, but I might get straight into it. Update you guys on three trading pairs, how they have moved on Monday and Tuesday, and how they might possibly have to move based on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So before we get any further with the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with, and how to recommend. So first pair that we're gonna work on is NASDAQ. So sharing to you guys possible direction based on our weekly trading outlook. You can go check that video out if you haven't checked it. And we have stated that based on this very same horizontal ray, this was our previous resistance that we either looking for two reactions from, because the markets have closed with a bullish close above our very same zone, right? So we had an anticipation that if price will give us a fill to break, we're going to look for that move to the upside. But if price breaks below, then we might look for that move to the downside. So I can clearly see that price favored our bullish move to the upside. And what happened when the price gave us a push to the upside? So with a push to the upside, NASDAQ, there's nothing that we can also focus on or talk about, because if I have to zoom in the charts, then that's when I might need to show you guys a clear picture into what NASDAQ we might look to anticipate or look forward into doing, right? Because you can clearly see that those were our previous higher lows, right? Those were just our previous higher lows that price is giving us reactions from. And with previous higher lows, price is now looking forward for that reversal and giving us a trade above those higher lows. So all I can now leave you guys with on NASDAQ is very simple. If price will look to continue bullish, then it means from every higher low, from every lower high, I mean every lower high, guys, lower highs, guys, lower highs, right? So from every lower high that price trades above, then we look for those continuations to the upside. But based on how we trade in the COT Academy team, how NASDAQ is looking, I just could have kept it simple to you guys that there's nothing else that we can look to focus on until price gives us a trade either above the zone or below, or wait for price to give us a reaction on our all-time high resistance to see what my price might do from there. But as I've told you guys what we might look to anticipate, then I guess we might look to forward into the second pair, which is gold. And on gold, if you can check out the video, I left an anticipation that until price gives us a reaction on our highs or our lows, there's nothing else that we're gonna do on gold. And you can clearly see that price is still trading within our very same zone. So what do we do from there? We look forward into the last pair, which is USD-CAD. And USD-CAD is more like gold, because on our weekly trading outlook, we did live in anticipation that there's only two things that we're looking forward into: a break below our lows to be bearish, or a fail to break to look for that move to the upside, because price is looking for that bear move to the downside. So as you guys can clearly see, price is holding about a range of highs and lows until price gives us a break above our very same highs, looking for possible new highs. Then I guess we're gonna look for what? For that fail to break above to look for that move to the downside. Same thing on our lows, until price gives us a break below of our lows to look for possible new lows. Then I guess we're gonna look for that fail to break our lows, looking for forward into what a possible reversal to the upside. And that's what we're going to be focusing on. So as you guys can clearly understand, that this is what we're looking forward to capitalizing from on the steady trading pace, and this is what we're looking forward into on the steady trading pace. I've shared to you guys what you need and what you're looking for. All I ask of you guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and leave a comment on the video so the algorithm can push the video, so more traders and more masses can get the picture and get the knowledge, so they can also better their trading within every trading month and every week. But without further ado, this is boy Harlem, King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.